is a Raptor tool which is used to draw flowcharts. You can draw flowcharts and check whether it is correct or not. Let us see one example of flowchart, how to draw flowchart using Raptor. So these are the symbols which you can use for drawing the flowchart. The first symbol is for assignment. Assignment means suppose you want to assign some value in the variable. So let's say for example there are two variables x and y, and if you want to do sum of x and y, after doing sum you can assign the value of sum into some third variable. So for that we use assignment. There is a call symbol. Generally this is not used in flowchart, but it is given in Raptor. So it is used for calling some other program or some function or module or procedure, but we are not going to use this in drawing flowchart. There is a symbol input. Input means the variables which you are going to take from outside, which you are going to take from the user. Output is the variable which you are going to display to the user or which you are going to give to the user after doing some process. So the program's basic flow is input, process and output. So for input this is the symbol, for process this is the symbol rectangle, and for output this parallelogram is a symbol. So for input and output the symbol is same, but you can differentiate it using this arrow. So the input arrow shows the input and the arrow which is going outward is for output. Then there is selection. If you want to select some value, then you can use this symbol, and this is for loop. After selection, after checking the condition, if you want to continue if the condition is true, or if you don't want to continue if the condition is false, or if you want to do anything else when the condition is true or false, then this loop symbol is used. We are going to see how to add two numbers and display output using some output variable. So I am going to take two inputs x and y, and the answer of x plus y will be stored into variable s, and then the variable s will be displayed using output symbol. So first of all we have to start with the start symbol, which is by default given in Raptor. So start and end is given. We are going to put various symbols in between this two. So my first step would be inputting x value. Now it is saying that you have to save your work, so let us save this file first. And I am going to save this file with the name sum of two numbers underscore flowchart. It's bit long, but it is meaningful. So I have saved this file and I have taken one symbol for input. Now I want to put some text in this, so I am going to edit this by right clicking it. Now you have to enter the message which you want to display to the user, because user will not know what is to be inputted in this variable. So I am writing enter first number into double quotes, because this is a message, it is not an executable statement. So we need to enter what prompt you are going to give to the user. So I will prompt the user with the message enter first number. Whatever value user will input will be stored into variable x. So here you have to write x. Then take another input, right click, edit. Same way we are going to prompt the user enter second number. Whatever value of second number will be entered by user, we want to store it into variable y. So I am inputting y. After taking inputs x and y, we need to do sum of x and y. So for process, now this is the process, x plus y is a process, so you have to take this symbol of assignment and set value s, which is my output value, with what? So x plus y, and click done. So it means that I am going to set value of s is equal to x plus y. So here, as you can see, it shows that set s to x plus y. And after doing this process, the final output should be displayed to the user. So that would be the output. So what output we have to display? S. So we are going to take this symbol output and I am going to edit this with S. And along with that, if you want to display some message such as sum of x and y, so that you can write into double quotes sum of, or if you want to write sum of two numbers, you may write like this. After this, the actual sum should be displayed. So that is a variable and not the message. So generally we write message into double quotes and variable without double quotes. But I want to concate that output with this message. So in between we have to write plus sign. It is not mathematical summation. It is just for concatenation of message with the output variable. So after plus we are going to write S. And then click on done. Now when you click done, it will show some symbol of continuation of line, but if you want to represent this as end of current line, then you can click here and it will display that put sum of two numbers as S. Okay, so here get and put shows that this is input and this is output. So this is our flowchart. Now if you want to check the correctness of this flowchart, then you can check from here step by step. So I am clicking here on step 2. So first start, the next step enter first number. It will prompt for the input. So I am inputting one number 7. Then you can again click on this symbol. So it is asking for second number. I am inputting 10. So 7 plus 10 should be 17. It should display that. Now it is doing process and the next step is output. So this is end of my flowchart and this is showing sum of two numbers 17. So as per this output tracing, our flowchart is correct. So that's what you can also find out using this Raptor tool.